Hi, so today in this lesson of Arabic, we will study the two very commonly used words in spoken Arabic, and those words are huna versus hunaka. Okay, so the first word is, say it aloud, the first word is huna, hu, na, hu, na. Huna is used to refer to something close to the speaker. Huna means here. Huna means here. Then comes the word called hunaka. 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 Hunaka means there. Obviously, hunaka refers to something that is far from the speaker, right? So we will study two words today, and we will use these words in sentences so that you understand the complete usage of these two words. So the first one is huna, hu, na. Huna means here and hunaka means there. Now let's use these two words in real-time sentences, right? So let's begin. So if you wanna say, I am here, I am here. So please know that I, just like we studied in the first lesson, I means ana. Ana means I. Ana means I or me. So I will say ana huna. Ana means I, huna means here. So it will become I am here. Ana huna. I am here. So ana huna. So to say I am here, you will say in Arabic ana huna. Ana huna. Similarly, if you want to say in Arabic, he is there. He is there. So to say the word he, we use the word huwa, hu, wa, hu, wa, huwa in Arabic to say the word he. So huwa, hu, wa in Arabic means he, and hiya, hiya, he, ya in Arabic means she. Note them. Huwa in Arabic means he, and hiya in Arabic means she. So if you want to say he is there, you will say huwa hunaka. He is there. There, hunaka means there. Huwa means he. Then if you want to say the restaurant is here. So in Arabic, to say the word restaurant, we use the word al al-mat'am. Al-mat'am. Al. Al means the. Al means the. When we add the word letter al before the words, it means the. Simply the. Right? So al-mat'amu. Mat'amu. Matu. Mat'amu. Mat'amu. Mat'amu in Arabic means restaurant. Mat'amu in Arabic means restaurant. Say it with me. Mat'am. Right? So al-mat'amu huna, meaning the restaurant is here. Al-mat'amu huna. Similarly, if you want to say in Arabic, the car is there. Now the car, we have studied, car in Arabic means sayyara. Sayyara. And since we have added as-sayyara, meaning the car. As-sayyara, 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 hunaka. Sayyara in Arabic means car. Sayyara, sayyara. So when we say sayyara or as-sayyara hunaka, it means the car is there. Hunaka means there. So if somebody asks you in Arabic, Aina al-maktab. Now, again, note one more word. Aina. Aina. Aina in Arabic. Aina in Arabic means where. Aina in Arabic means where. This word is commonly used to ask questions regarding places. So it is very important word. Aina. Aina. Aina al-maktab. Aina al-maktab. Aina al-maktab means maktab. Maktab in Arabic means office. Maktab in Arabic means office. So Aina al-maktab means where is the office? So you will reply al-maktab hunaka. The office is there. Al-maktab hunaka. Al-maktab means office. Hunaka means there. Then if somebody asks you the question, Aina anta? Anta, anta, anta in Arabic means you, and it refers to male you. And anti, anti in Arabic again means you, but it refers to a female. So anta means you to a male, and anti means you to a female. So when the question is aina anta, it means where are you? Refers to a male. So you will say ana, meaning I, huna, I am here, right? Ana, huna, ana, huna. Okay. So moving on, then comes the next question. Aina as-suq? Aina as-suq? So the question is Aina as-suq? Aina meaning where? Aina meaning where? As-suq. Souk in Arabic means souk. A souk in Arabic means the market. The market in Arabic is said like as souk. Now the ending of the market, a souk, and ends with a deep K sound. Souk, right? Say it aloud 5 times. As souk, as souk. Aina as souk. So the question is Aina as souk. So you will reply, if the market is there, you will say السوق السوق هناك السوق هناك. The market is there. هناك meaning there. السوق means the market. السوق هناك. Moving forward. Okay, so the question is أين زيد? أين زيد? Zaid is a name of person. Aina means where. So if you want to ask where is Zaid or any name, you will say Aina Zaid. So the reply will be, the answer is هو هناك في المكتب. هو meaning he, هناك meaning there, في, this word fi, this word fi or fi means in. Fi means in. So fi means in, and maktab, like we discussed, means office. So huwa hunaka fil maktab, or huwa hunaka fi al maktab. Huwa hunaka fil maktab means he is there in the office. Next question. Aina al kitab, meaning where is the kitab, or where is the book? Aina means where. Al kitab means the book. So you reply الكتاب هنا على المكتب. الكتاب هنا. الكتاب means the book. هنا means here. على Now this word ala, ain, la, alif, ala, a, a. Now this a sound is from the throat, right? A, ala, ala, ala means on or over. Ala, ala, this word ala means on. So we will say الكتاب الكتاب هنا على المكتب الكتاب هنا على المكتب. The book is here on the desk. On the desk, right? So maktab means desk as well. So al-maktab also means desk in Arabic, depending on the context of the sentence. So the word al-maktab or just maktab can be used for office as well as desk, right? So moving forward, then the question is aina at-taxi? Aina at-taxi? Aina, aina meaning where, at-taxi meaning the taxi. Taxi in Arabic, taxi is pronounced like taxi. Aina taxi meaning where is the taxi? So you will say at-taxi huna, at-taxi hunaka meaning the taxi. Hunaka means there, the taxi is there. Amama, amama, amama meaning in front of. Amama means the word amama. This word amama means in front of in Arabic. So you will say التاكسي هناك أمام المطار. مطار ما طار ما طار. Matar means in Arabic it means airport. So al-matar means the airport. So you will say التاكسي هناك أمام المطار, meaning a taxi is there in front of the airport, right? So next question. أين الحقيبة? أين meaning where. حقيبة, 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 حقيبة in Arabic means bag, and al-haqiba meaning the bag. أين الحقيبة meaning where is the bag. So you will reply الحقيبة هنا تحت الطاولة. تحت الطاولة. الحقيبة meaning the bag. هنا is here. تحت, تحت, the word تحت, تحت means under or below. So you will say الحقيبة هنا تحت الطاولة. الطاولة means طاولة. طاولة means in Arabic, طاولة means table, and الطاولة means the table. So the sentence الحقيبة هنا تحت الطاولة means the bag is here under the table. Similarly, if the question is asked أين المراء? أين المراء? Mirror in Arabic means mirror. So the question is being asked, where is the mirror? أين المراء? So you will say المراء, المراء هناك. المراء meaning the mirror. هناك. على means again on. الجدار. Now one more vocabulary word, الجدار. جدار, جدار in Arabic means the wall, and al-jidar means the wall. Jidar means wall, al-jidar means the wall. So if I say the sentence al-mira hunaka ala al-jidar, it means the mirror is there on the wall. So I hope you have mastered the concepts of the two words huna and hunaka and we have learned many things in this video. So after this video, you might be able to speak Arabic, uh, the words of Arabic quite a bit now, but we will obviously study more Arabic, spoken Arabic. So our focus is totally on spoken Arabic, right? So by the end of this course, you will be able to at least speak, start conversing in Arabic, right? So subscribe and share our channel, and uh, like the video, and uh, do share it with your colleagues and your friends who are learning to speak Arabic. Allah Hafiz.